How to get copper shiny again. We're going to show you how to clean copper. Whether it's copper jewelry, pans, pots, a sink, or even coins, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the basics of how to clean copper. Copper tends to tarnish over time due to exposure to air and moisture, giving it that distinctive dull appearance. But fear not, because cleaning copper is a straightforward process. How to clean copper. To clean your copper items, you'll need a few simple ingredients: white vinegar, salt, and flour. First, make a paste by mixing equal parts of salt and flour. Then, add enough white vinegar to create a thick consistency. Apply the paste to the tarnished copper surface, making sure to cover all the nooks and crannies. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. The acid in the vinegar will work to break down the tarnish, and the salt acts as a mild abrasive to help scrub away the grime. After the wait, grab a soft cloth or a sponge and gently rub the copper in circular motions. You'll start to see that beautiful shine come through. Rinse with water and dry thoroughly to prevent new tarnish from forming. How to clean copper jewelry. Now, let's get into cleaning specific copper items, starting with copper jewelry. For copper jewelry, use a soft toothbrush or a cotton swab to apply the paste. Be gentle to avoid scratching any gemstones or delicate details. Rinse and dry thoroughly. How to clean copper pots and pans. If you're wondering how to clean copper pans and pots, the process is quite similar. Apply the paste generously, ensuring even coverage. A soft sponge or cloth will work wonders here. Rinse thoroughly and dry to maintain that pristine shine. How to clean copper sink. Copper sinks add a touch of elegance to any kitchen or bathroom. To clean a copper sink, apply the paste and use a soft bristled brush or sponge to scrub away the tarnish. Don't forget to rinse and dry to prevent water spots. How to clean copper coins. Now, let's talk about cleaning copper coins. For this, a more delicate touch is required. Soak the coins in a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Gently rub each coin with a soft cloth to reveal their original shine. How to clean oxidized copper. And finally, for those stubborn spots of oxidized copper, a mixture of lemon juice and baking soda can work wonders. Apply the paste, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub away. Rinse and dry thoroughly. There you have it. Now you know how to clean copper, whether it's jewelry, pans, pots, sinks, or coins. Remember, a little care goes a long way in keeping your copper items looking as good as new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, and happy cleaning.